All right, guys, so welcome back, Subs and Paws. John again, your host. So I wanted to, this is my son-in-law's speaker, and we were just rewiring it inside the car. And I said, well, why are we wiring it? Why don't we just run it inside and we'll do a video on it? So that's what we're doing. We're going to throw it on the dyno, throw it on some good power, and see what it does.
Yeah.
Now, this is the, what was it?
It's a WLLDSE, kind of see it on the front. It's a HST12, 1200 watts peak, 800 max, and 400 RMS. It does have a 3-inch voice coil, which is really nice.
Look at the, so dual magnet here.
It is a dual magnet.
There's no pole vent.
Nope.
So that's a little different.
It is.
And it has a steel basket. It's a stamped steel basket.
It was
so that's another odd thing.
Also, for the what it is, it was on a really good sale, and even original price it's $82.
80 bucks, guys.
Yeah, and I got it, and it was on sale. And they put it on sale most of the time, so it was 60
I don't know
bucks.
if you can see them tinsels in there, but they're diesel
nice.
tinsels, and they're all woven in.
Nice.
So, guys, we're gonna get this in the box. We're gonna throw it on some power. We'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome back. So before I get started, I just wanted to mention something else we didn't mention before. If you notice on the surround, it has double stitching here, and the huge surround it has. And this was actually on sale on Amazon for 60 bucks, and regular price is 80. So you can't really complain with either of those prices.
Not at all.
So we're gonna get it going, guys. We're gonna start off slow like we do, and we're gonna get it going from there, and then we'll put it on dyno power after that. And by the way, this is wired at 1 ohm, so we should be hopefully hitting around 1 ohm, and we could go up to 3,000 watts. So let's see what we do. All right, let's see where we're at for power. So it's sitting around 2 ohms. Sitting around 2 ohms. This is kind of a test song. We're gonna put it on our other song in a minute, and we'll really get it moving. And by the way, guys, this is also not broken in. It's fairly new.
Yeah, it's like 1 day old.
Yeah, so it's had a one or a couple days playtime.
A couple hours probably, not even.
Really?
Yeah, I've been with the baby more. Got to unplug it when I got the kid car.
Yeah. Alright, so what are we sitting at now? Around 100 watts, 2 ohms, a little over 100 watts. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so we're going to switch up the song now. Now let's see what we're going to get here. And I'll power once we get up. Nice. Three and a quarter, 325 watts I saw. $800 watts.
Hit the max.
So it just took the over the RMS, and what'd you say the other one was?
The peak is 1200.
Peak.
The max.
And the
is
max
800.
is 1200. Let's get it on dyno power and check what we got going on here.
Wow.
Let's see. Dyno power. There's 840 right off the top.
Oh, look at foam's coming up.
14 1,478 watts. 1,478 watts. It just took that max number and threw it out the window. Let's go up one more notch. I'm not smelling anything at all.
Thank God.
I don't know. 1794. No. $17.94 at 2.3 ohms. That's amazing. I don't even know what to say. 600 RMS, 1200 max, 1800 watts it just took. That's 600 over the max.
I didn't even know it would take that. That's crazy. Random find on Amazon.
Wow.
I've never seen it take that much over than it says rated.
Well, guys, I think we just proved that this company is fairly legit.
Yeah.
HST, you said it was?
HST12.
HST12 series.
If you want to check out, they got the HCY.
WLLDSE. What's the website? Is that the website?
They don't have a website. It's only on Amazon.
Oh, so you have to go to Amazon, or I think they sell them on eBay too.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we're gonna wrap this up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. This video was phenomenal. I'm glad we did this. Take care of yourselves and each other, guys. Peace. All right, guys. So we got these speakers plugged back into the car. This is a Scar SVR, and this is that HST12. I believe he has them wired right now. They're sitting probably around 2 to 3 ohms-ish. And we have the mini dB meter inside the car right now. We're gonna do a dB test in the car. See how this is. And these are both inside of an MTX Thunder enclosure. And it's a ported enclosure, single port. Turn it up a little bit.
Yeah.
It'll take more too.
Really? That's the max you told me last.
You have 2 subs on it now. You don't have 1 sub anymore. And before you had that cheap ass sub, remember?
Oh, you're right.
You had that cheap one and then
Yeah.
the JL audio. I mean, the JL audio is
I
not.
had this one in the J or the.
Yeah, that's not equivalent to a JL, so you couldn't go as high as you can now. All right, so why don't we close this up? We're gonna go sit in the car. Whoa! All right. Well, you know if he's coming home anyways. You hear the bass and the rattle. He's coming. All right. Let's see what we got for dB. Meter's already on.
Is it set? Did you take
should
the
be.
plastic off? Is that plastic?
No, I just left it. 139 right off the top. You can probably go. Try one more.
My God.
Now this thing accurate as it comes.
How high does it go?
160.
And you picked 150? It's loud.
Real loud. 136. so I'm gonna take a trip around the car. Just see what it sounds like. See what the windows look like. See what the roof looks like. Oh, you can let it keep going. Oh. I'm gonna see if the windows are moving. See if he's got a sunroof here. See if the sunroof is moving. So he's trying to get service. I don't know why he should. Oh, there we go. I can't tell if that's moving or not on the live video. Let's check the back window. You know, I'm wondering if I hold this down, what it'll sound like. Oh, I bought him that stick there. That's his YouTube channel. My son-in-law's YouTube channel. Ooh. This license plate, man. That's what's all that rattling, that license plate. You can see his rear speakers jumping up and down. I don't know if you can see that on video. I think a lot more of the bass is inside the trunk. Let me see if we can open this. Hey, can we open this seat too? Oh, it is? Okay, I think we'll get more sound inside, because that's actually where your port is. Your port's right there. There's the amp. All right, so we're gonna do another dB test now. Seeing how we got the, oh my God. Seeing how we got two, now it's basically like a hatchback. So I hit 134 with the door open. $32. Oh yeah. Let's see. I'm expecting it to go higher. Oh, 36, 37. Try to move this a little bit. Whoa, 38 too. $138. Nice. I don't think we're gonna break that one.
Yeah, no.
37.6. What?
Does it get stronger?
It does, yeah. That's why I let it play through as it goes along, and then I keep. 38. All right, guys. I think we're gonna call it a wrap on the video.
That was awesome. The speakers.
138.2.
Wow. I think last time I checked, it wasn't even
Nice.
130. It was like 128.
Yeah, it was it wasn't even 30.
Wow.
All right, guys. You know what to do. Make sure you go down on the bottom, like, subscribe, share to your friends, guys. Let's get this moving on.
Yeah.
I want to get our revenue up, guys, because I'm giving you guys 10% back. That's what my giveaways are, guys. 10% I'm giving you guys back. So let's get them likes, let's get them shares, let's get them subscribes going, guys. We'll see you guys next time. Take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.